we're doing. But I don't want to do like two oranges, like orange, blue, orange. I want to do it like orange over here.
Oh, I thought we were doing.
Just pick a spot and just try not to intrude on one another, and you'll figure it out. It's just art. It doesn't.
I know, we were just trying to figure out a way. Like,
yeah. I think it would be easier if it was cut into even, perfectly same size pieces, but it's not. So just kind of feel it where it goes, and remember that your mom will be wearing this. Maybe. It's good enough.
I'll use this.
Big green. Wait, do pink on this side. She likes
this
pink.
is pink? I thought this was orange.
Oh, actually, I don't know.
Oh, that's kind of like a light purple
Here,
pink.
Let me
I thought we were using orange.
You can put purple right there. We are using orange. This is orange.
Emery just used orange. It's right here, buddy.
Oh, that's it. I'm just kidding.
Ooh, that is a cool color, Talon.
Green is cool. I'm glad we picked these colors. These are kind of cool.
Yeah, that green is kind of cool.
And the pink.
Yeah.
Hey, good thing I still have more colors to do. Like another shirt. Oh. You remember, we can always like let come.
Oh.
See, we didn't do it like rainbow because we were gonna do pink, orange, green, blue.
It's okay.
But see,
It's totally all right. So you got orange again in your hand, Ems,
I know. So this is gonna be the last orange.
until the other side.
Should I do another dark blue?
If you do do it in front of Emery, and then wait for her to be done, and then you can switch spots. There you go.
Oh, but if we do blue, then it'll be
No, just do a different color there, Ems.
green. I know. I just don't want the colors to be like right next to each other. You know.
Yeah, no, that's looking good, guys. It's a masterpiece.
Made with extra love.
Try dabbing it, Talon, like not even squeezing it. Yeah, I was kind of just touching it. No, like this, like just like that. I mean, it's kind of a different way, but I don't know. It's up to you. I don't know how to do it really, but just if you need to get into like a real tight place. Okay. There you go.
And it kind of spreads. Like,
Yeah. Well, yeah. The ink, it runs. That's why we got to wear gloves and kind of wear clothes that we can get ink on, because it will.
Or else it will stain us.
Mhm.
And
stain our body.
Okay, you want to flip it over there, Ems? Just flip it over like a pancake. There you go. Flip it over.
I know I did.
I want to try this green.
And Talon also wants to try orange, I think.
I want to try blue. I haven't tried.
Okay.
I do it like cover it, but
Yeah.
I honestly don't. Is this
That's orange in your left hand. Yep, on your hand.
Where's orange?
Right there. No, put. Well,
Oh, orange already got covered. Sorry.
but put it right on that white spot, T.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Just.
that's where pink goes.
But you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Well, I would put it right, since you already dripped in orange there, put it like there on that spot. See, that's the trouble about squirting it, is it kind of...
Yeah, but then that's okay.
Yeah, no, yeah.
And even if you just kind of leave it upside down, it still kind of comes out.
That's looking cool. Very nice.
Like how it's like kind of all different colors.
You tried orange, right, T?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, T, do you want to grab that other yellow bag right there, and then we'll put it in the sack?
Yeah.
Okay, go over there to Emery.
Here, shake it out. Just go.
I know. Hold on, I got plenty.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's in or not. Just, yep.
Well, it won't even touch the...
Okay, I got it. Okay, now, there you go. And then we'll put it by the others. Okay, we'll let it dry for what? A couple days? What do you think?
Probably a day.
Okay. Okay.
Well, remember, remember, we can always wash it and dry. So let's wait till tomorrow.